Hello, welcome to Hashtag Network. Today I will show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to create a Google account. First, open your browser. In the top corner, click Sign In button. Next, click at Create Account and choose for my personal use. Now fill your details, start with your first name and last name. Choose username. This will be your new username. The suggestion of username, like that one and this one, but also you can create your own username by click create your own Google address. I will click here. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letter, number, and symbol. Now it will need a recovery email. And click next. Now review Google privacy and term. Scroll down and click I agree. Okay, congratulations, your Google account is now ready to use. You can access Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, contacts, anything you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Hashtag Network. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech guide. See you next time.